Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a question many of you have. How can you play Fortnite on your Chromebook? The answer is actually simpler than you might think, thanks to the power of cloud gaming with NVIDIA GeForce NOW. Let's dive in. Chromebooks are fantastic for their speed and simplicity, but they don't always have the dedicated graphics power to run demanding games like Fortnite natively. That's where NVIDIA GeForce NOW comes in. It streams a game directly to your Chromebook over the internet, so all the heavy lifting is done on NVIDIA's powerful servers. First things first, you need an NVIDIA GeForce NOW account. So let's head over to the GeForce NOW website. And once there, we need to sign up for a free or premium membership. So let's select Join Now. A free membership lets you play for up to 1 hour sessions, while premium tiers offer longer sessions, priority access, and even RTX graphics. And the simplest way to sign up is to sign in with Google. Once you have an account, there are a couple of ways to access GeForce NOW on your Chromebook. The easiest method is through the Google Play Store. So let's open up the Google Play Store now, and then search for GeForce NOW. And then simply press install. And then once it's downloaded, you can open the app and start playing. Alternatively, you can access GeForce NOW directly through your Chrome browser. Just go to play.geforcenow.com and then log in with your NVIDIA account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to find Fortnite. Use the search bar within the GeForce NOW app or website and type in Fortnite. You should then see it appear in the results and then click on the Fortnite tile. Before you can play, you'll likely need to link your Epic Games account. If you already have a Fortnite account, just follow the prompts to log in. If not, you can create a new Epic Games account. Once your accounts are linked, you're almost there. Now let's click the play button. You might encounter a queue depending on the current server load, especially if you're using a free membership. Just be patient and you'll be gaming soon. Once it's your turn, Fortnite will launch directly in your browser window or in the GeForce NOW app, and you can now start playing. The game controls work just like they would on any other platform. You can use a connected Bluetooth controller or a USB keyboard and mouse. Okay, so we're in the pre-game lobby now. Notice how smooth the movement and visuals are, even on a Chromebook. GeForce NOW is doing a great job of streaming a game with minimal latency. Here we go, landing now, gotta be quick to grab some loot. The responsiveness of the controls feels pretty good. I'm able to aim without any noticeable delay. This really shows how well cloud gaming can work when you've got a decent internet connection. Engaging with another player now. Let's see how the shooting feels. You can see the action is fast-paced and I'm able to react in real time. It's surprisingly playable for a game being streamed over the internet. The environment looks crisp and the frame rate seems consistent. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on your internet speed and GeForce NOW membership tier. But overall, the experience is quite impressive. To ensure the best possible experience, here are a few tips. Make sure you have a stable and reasonably fast internet connection. NVIDIA recommends at least a 15 megabit connection for HD streaming at 60 frames per second, and 25 megabits for full HD. For the most reliable connection, try using an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi, or connect to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network if possible. You can also adjust the streaming quality within the GeForce NOW settings. If you're experiencing lag or stuttering, try lowering the resolution or the maximum bitrate. Keep in mind that while GeForce NOW handles the processing power, your internet connection is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. Close any unnecessary tabs or applications on your Chromebook to help free up bandwidth. So there you have it, playing Fortnite on your Chromebook using NVIDIA GeForce NOW is a fantastic way to enjoy the game without needing a high-end gaming PC. It's convenient, relatively easy to set up, and opens up a world of gaming possibilities for your Chromebook. Plus, there's many other games to explore. Have you tried playing Fortnite on your Chromebook with GeForce NOW? Let us know in the comments about your experience. If you found this video helpful, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.